In this video, let me show you how to fix Google Calendar event not syncing. So if you come across this issue, the first thing that you need to do is manually try to sync it. So within the Google Calendar application, head over to the hamburger menu on the top left and make sure that you check the option which says My Calendar or Tasks. You can simply turn this option or check this so that all of the events are synced. But however, even after doing this step, you're still facing this issue. The other thing that you can also try out is try to manually force close and then sync it. So what I mean by that is, first of all, what you can do is head back, and right here you should be able to see the option called refresh. You can tap on the refresh option and try to see if now the events are syncing. If the syncing issue still exists, then what you can try out is head over to the settings on your device. Scroll down, head over to account, and you'll have the manual option of tapping on sync within calendar, or you can also tap on sync on the bottom. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the Google Calendar event not syncing. I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.